Happy's Land pheasant hunt. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the gun dog.
The chilly one.
It's a chilly one. December 18th.
18th.
Here we go. Made it.
Got her done.
Hen.
Here, no. Heel. Here. Girl.
Man, that was great dog work. Good job, Bailey.
Bailey, here.
Rooster!
Bailey, no, here. Heel.
Get him.
Oh, he hit him. God dang it. Bailey, here. Here.
Good girl. I think so.
I didn't get it.
Okay, well I got it then, I think.
Bailey, push up. Well, there went my phone.
Come here, Bailey. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Is that a big rooster? Come here. Hey. Good girl. That's a big rooster. Look at that rooster. Good girl. Good girl. Yeehaw! Nice shooting, guys. I think it was Ryan.
I think it was Ryan too.
Nice shot, Ryan.
I wounded it, but I did not kill it.
Ryan folded it.
Yeah, that was way out there.
Dude, that's a beautiful bird. Look at that thing.
It's still alive.
Nice job.
Bailey, no, you tore the dang thing apart. You gotta grab it. Here.
Good girl, Bailey. Dude, that's a beautiful bird. Look at that. Tail feathers on that thing. It's a great shot, too.
When I got in front of me, it looked so big. That was like, I got literally 5 yards in front of me.
It's a huge bird.
I missed my first shot though.
Mine was a yearling. Here, I'll put him in.
Bailey, here. Here.
The Onyx Man.
We still have quite a ways. I think we hit the cross right here, but I think we should try going that way and then come back.
I like it. I like it.
Haben? Haben? Haben. H-A-B-B-E-N. Never heard of it.
Good girl, Bailey. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good girl. She was very birdie. Good girl. Bring it here. That's a good puppy. That's a good puppy. Come here, sweetheart. Bailey.
Oh, you got one there?
Oh yeah.
Did they come out of there?
Yeah.
Hey, here.
Is he dead?
Oh, never mind. He just
Look at that baby.
Good girl.
Good girl, Bailey. That's good, Rudy. Tuck him in for me. Nice shot, baby. Woo!
Who shot that one?
Ryan.
Come on, girl. Let's up. Here. Here. Come on.
Nice shot, dude. God, another beautiful one, too.
I see where it was sitting. Really? Huge one.
My goodness, man. Hey, Knuckles, let's go.
I'll put that there.
Woo-hoo-hoo, Pappy.
Pappy's pheasants.
Well, trudging through snow drifts, shooting ringnecks. We're up to 4. All on video too, I think. Bailey's been crushing it. Ryan's dead eye. Cade shot too many last time.
Sure.
He's up bat next.
Come here. I feel like that.
It's a beautiful winter day.
Ryan, look at her nipple right. Yeah, I know.